everyone, it's Kate.
And Maisie.
Welcome to our Summer 2021 Cool Tones Swatch unboxing video.
Today we're going to give you a closer look at the 8 garment fabrics included in this collection, which, along with their suggested patterns, are designed to work as a capsule wardrobe for people with pink, red, or blue undertones to their skin.
If you are already a subscriber to our Swatch service, we encourage you to follow along with your card, and if you haven't subscribed yet, you can do so by clicking the link in the description below.
Remember, subscribers, there's a discount code included in your card that will give you 10% off all the fabrics in this collection.
Let's get started.
We're going to kickstart this collection with a super summery fabric, the designer linen blend in pink.
A dead stock fabric from a fancy Italian fashion house. We know this is a linen blend, but we're not quite sure what the other fiber is.
So we're going to do a quick burn test to find out. Our wholesaler, Ramon, told us that it's a linen blend, but we're not sure what it's blended with. Because it's really soft and nice and drapey, our hypothesis is that it's either cotton or rayon, maybe tencel. So we're gonna burn and see what we discover.
When doing a burn test, you'll need a candle, tweezers, and a pan. In the description below, we've also included a few links to different burn test charts, which will help you interpret your findings. Let's give it a try. You can see it doesn't curl towards or away from the flame, and it has a bright burn. The smoke smells natural and a little sweet, not acrid. The ash is soft and gray and crumbles and also results in this interesting alligator crinkle.
We did this same test with a comparable linen rayon, cotton linen, and cotton tencel blend, and also just 100% linen. And they all burned in a very similar way. So while we're not quite sure which fiber this linen's blended with, we know it is natural and not synthetic. And here's how.
This is the Colorado polyester from Telio. When it burns, it melts, which is one of your best clues that it's synthetic. Plus, the smoke produced is black and really acrid smelling, like plastic. And you're left with this hard, kind of crunchy plastic residue. So we know it's a natural fiber, and we're thinking it's either rayon or tencel because of the drape. This linen has a twill weave, which is really unusual for linen, so it makes it a little drapier, and we think it will make a great Holyoke dress or skirt.
Yeah, this is a new-ish pattern from Cashmerette. As Kate says, it has 2 views, a full-length skirt and a maxi dress with what the pattern describes as wide, bra-friendly straps.
And for someone who would never in a million years go braless, I really appreciate that design element.
This pattern is really nice. It has great big pockets and an elasticized waistband, 3 different cup size options, and there's a faux button placket, which means that you don't actually have to sew all those buttonholes.
Because the bodice is fitted, it's a great stepping stone pattern for advanced beginners who want to kind of up their game.
And if you're feeling nervous about this pattern, or any Cashmerette pattern for that matter, you can go to the Cashmerette website and they have tons of great tutorials.
Next up is our Mandalay Performance Knit in Pool.
We actually also featured a different Mandalay knit in our previous Cool Tones collection, but we had to do it again because A, it's summer, so it's like the perfect summer fabric, and B, we just got the cutest pattern from Jolly, maybe that I've ever seen.
It's the Lulux Skort. I'm not sure if that's how you pronounce it, but that's how I pronounce it. It goes from little kid size 2 up to adult size 22, like all Jolly patterns. It has a wide waistband and a really cute, flattering flounce in the back.
I'm not sure if you can tell, but I really love a skort. My thighs rub together when I walk/run, and so sometimes I avoid skirts in the summer because of that. But with a skort, I can look cute, I can be active, and I can be comfortable all at the same time. Skirts are a triple threat.
We've had a lot of customers ask us if this Mandalay performance knit can be used for swimsuits. So we did some research and learned that it can. So it's perfect for a bathing suit or athletic wear.
It also has special moisture wicking qualities, which is great for sweating or for swimming. And it has a 50 UPF rating, which is essentially the highest UV protection rating that a fabric can have.
If you feel nervous about sewing with a stretchy fabric like this, you can watch my YouTube series on making an Ipswich swimsuit from Cashmerette. Next up is the Robert Kaufman Essex speckled yarn-dyed linen in aqua. We have featured this fabric before in a different colorway, and every time we put together a swatch collection, we're reminded of how much we love this fabric.
It's a cotton linen blend with just a hint of polyester. It washes up really well, and it wrinkles less than 100% linen. Plus, as Kate was saying, there's all these beautiful speckles throughout that go with the rest of the colors in this collection really well.
Yeah. We are suggesting the Jedediah shorts from Thread Theory for this fabric. This is a men's pattern, and it features a slim fit, slash pockets, and a cuffed hem.
Yeah, kind of fun detail. I think everybody should have a nice pair of linen shorts in their summer wardrobe, especially a pair this bright and beachy. And for an added fun element, you could use a contrasting top stitching thread that would match one of the speckles in this fabric.
So because there is linen in this fabric, it will shrink a little even if you pre-wash it before you cut it out. I made a pair of pants out of it in a different colorway, and I made them slightly too short to start with by accident. And so now I'm hyper aware that they do shrink if I put them in the dryer. If I don't put them in the dryer, they're fine. But sometimes I like to get rid of the dog hair by putting my pants in the dryer.
That's a catch-22 if I've ever heard one. Short pants or dog hair.
I know.
Now on to the woven yarn-dyed plus-sign Dobby in Verbena. This fabric was designed by the well-known quilting cotton designer Juicy Juice and is part of his new Entwine collection.
It's very similar to the diamond textiles we have featured in the past, but it has a more saturated color scheme. And I just think jewel tones are very summery colors.
For sure. It's really lightweight and breathable, and it's actually designed for quilting. With a normal quilting cotton, you probably wouldn't want to make a garment because it wrinkles a lot. But with this fabric, because it has a looser weave, you can actually use it for quilting and for garment making.
We're pairing it with the Tabula Rasa jacket from Fit for Art Patterns. As you can see, I'm wearing it right now. We love Fit for Art patterns, but they're very unusual because they only have 3 patterns: this jacket, a t-shirt, and a pair of pants. But they show a huge variety of ways to make each of them so that you can make your whole wardrobe out of just those 3 patterns.
And as the name suggests, the pattern pieces themselves are designed to facilitate a great fit. So this pattern comes with 2 different front pieces for a large bust and for a small bust, and 2 different side pieces for a curvier waist and a straighter waist. So you can really tailor this jacket to your shape.
And as you can see, I used a different fabric in this same fabric line for my neckband and my side pieces. I used the Sashiko Dobby in Amethyst, but you really could just use the other side of the pink fabric as your contrast pieces because the design is woven in. Next up is our designer ITY knit in lavender, which just so happens to go perfectly with the Mandalay performance knit in pool.
It's almost like we specially designed this collection or something. What? But they really do go so nicely together.
ITY stands for Interlock Twist Yarn, and it's soft and slinky polyester and spandex. And it's nice and lightweight and wrinkle resistant, so it's perfect for summer.
It's also super washing machine friendly. The pattern we're pairing it with is the Liesl & Co. Easton Cowneck Tee.
It's a beginner pattern, and it comes with a long sleeve and a short sleeve version. And I can't remember what else I'm supposed to say.
And a few cup sizes too.
Oh yeah, and different cup sizes for it has different fronts for different cup sizes.
We also paired these 2 together not only because it's the right drape and stretch and weight, but also because it has no wrong side. And when you're making a shirt with a cowl neck, sometimes you see the opposite side of the fabric, so you want to pick a knit that doesn't have a wrong side. On to the playful seaweed rayon in Night Glow. I love, love, love the colors in this fabric, the bright greens and blues and pinks. It really makes me think of the bioluminescence you see in the ocean in tropical places.
This lightweight rayon is perfect for summer garments, but you do need to be careful when you're caring for it. Dry cleaning is recommended, but you can machine wash and dry it as long as you do that before you cut out your pattern. You don't want to line dry a rayon because rayon does not like to be wet. And if you line dry it, it will shrink unevenly and get a little bit stiff.
If you are new to sewing with rayon, we suggest watching Kate's video on the very subject that you can find in the link below.
We're pairing this fabric with the Lena Horn dress from Tabitha Sewer. New to us, we just started carrying the Tabitha Sewer pattern. She has 2 patterns plus a great line of buttons, and we're carrying a whole bunch of her buttons as well.
This pattern, named after the amazing performer and activist, is vintage inspired. It has pockets and an invisible zipper in the back and also really cute ruffled straps.
The type of fabric you use for the ruffles will really dictate how they look. If you use a stiffer fabric, you're going to get ruffles standing up, but with a nice drapey fabric like this, you're going to get kind of soft cascading ruffles, which I think will look really nice.
This next fabric is one of my favorites, the Moody Bloom Mochi Floral Linen in blue. It's a lightweight canvas linen cotton blend, and we actually drew a lot of inspiration for this collection from the cool colors featured in this fabric.
It's a great alternative to a heavier weight denim in the summer. And if you wash and dry the fabric before you sew with it, you can keep washing it, drying it all summer long.
The pattern we've selected to go with this fabric are the Pietra shorts from Closet Core. No matter what you make out of this fabric, it's going to be a statement piece. You can make overalls, you can make a jacket, but what better time to rock patterned bottoms than in the summer?
The Pietra shorts have 3 different views, lots of different lengths. They have a high waist, slash pockets, and a waist stay so that they stay up around your waist. Bonnie made me a really cute pair in a different lightweight denim of ours, and I love them. Last but not least is another quilting cotton that doubles as a garment fabric. The Allison Glass Kaleidoscope Quilting Cotton in Mermaid. It's slightly heavier weight with a slightly looser weave than most quilting cottons, so it won't wrinkle as much and it has a little bit more drape, which makes it perfect for clothing.
Yeah, I love this gorgeous teal color. It's great for sewing with, it washes up really well, and the pattern we've selected to go with it is the Sew House 7 Remy Raglan. Appropriate for the advanced beginner, this pattern is a loose fit woven tee with a rolled sleeve detail. The thing you want to pay attention to with this pattern is the finished measurements of the garment.
There are actually 10 inches of ease in the bust, which means it's a very loose fitting tee. So you might be tempted to size down, but don't size down too much because you want the shoulders to fit. And also make sure not to size up because there's plenty of room in this pattern.
I just love how this goes with the Moody Bloom Mochi linen. You could make such a cute shorts top combo. It'd be great for summer.
We hope you enjoyed this closer look at our summer 2021 Cool Tones Swatch collection. Remember, you can purchase all the fabrics and patterns we featured in this video at theconfidentstitch.com.
We encourage you to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more fabric videos, garment sew-alongs, and quilting tips and tricks. Also, if you have yet to subscribe to our quarterly swatch service, you can do so by clicking the link in the description.
We hope you found this collection inspiring, and we look forward to seeing you soon.